good. Hey, let me give you a tour of my Airbnb here in Courmayeur. So here we have the living room. We have two balconies. This is my balcony, and this is your balcony. Kitchen. This is a downstairs bathroom. Now we're gonna go upstairs. Just a few more steps. This is the upstairs. Here we have a fold-up couch bed. Here we have a smaller bedroom with two small beds. Follow me, I'll show you a few more things. Here we have the bathroom, another bathroom, and then here's your bedroom. As you can see, none of the beds have been made today, and we tend to keep it that way. This is an entire closet area. This is from the church in the town. And when it's cold, you fill this up with water, and it warms up the entire interior. All right, thanks for coming. Bye. So it is, I don't even know what day it is. What I do know is that we do not have that much time left on this trip. We have 5 days left of traveling to complete the loop. And then we have a free day in Chamonix, a travel day back to Geneva, and then the next day we're going home. As you can see, my facial hair is getting crazy. The past essentially 36 hours have been fantastic. We got to stay in this beautiful Airbnb here in Courmayeur. We've had some really amazing Italian food. It's the best Italian food that I've ever had. Really amazing coffee, really amazing pastries. We did a little bit of light shopping, got a postcard or two, got some really unique pens. Caleb sends postcards off. I'm gonna send some off probably in Chamonix in a few days. We are progressing on our journey. We both have talked about this whole trip about how completing this loop, the Tour du Mont Blanc, is not necessarily about doing the hardest thing, it's about doing the safest thing. Unfortunately, there is a lot of rain and thunderstorms today, so we're not hiking the pass that we were going to be hiking. We're going to be taking the buses to get to our next refuge, and that is the safer option. It's not the more adventurous option, but we don't want to get shocked by lightning, so we're going to be safe. Our friends and families, I'm sure, will be very happy about that. There's a lot of challenges that we faced along this path. There have been language barriers. There have been stamina challenges. The day before we got here, we had a nearly 12-mile hike. That was very challenging. And then we also have faced the weather in some difficult ways as well. And today is an example of that. Finding alternate ways to continue on our journey and complete our travel is part of this whole process. And we have what we need to do that. Between the two of us, we have the skills to accomplish that goal. I'm excited to go on this journey today and get to the refuge tonight, and then it should be clearer weather for the rest of the week. I should say for the rest of the journey, because today is technically Friday. Don't really have a good sense of time right now. Oh, we ran into two of our friends from the first refugio we stayed at, Michelle and Philip. That was really exciting. They were walking down the street where we were having breakfast yesterday morning. We talked about how we both were going to be in this area around the same time, I think, but we guess we both kind of forgot about it. So we got to say hey to each other, and that was pretty cool. It's nice to make some new friends on this trip. We've seen some other people here in this town that have been on the same journey as us, so that's also cool. Hopefully everyone's being safe today and minding the weather. Mother Nature does not apologize. So Caleb and I are very aware of that, and we're being safe. So we'll see you in France. Share with me your wisdom. You are not bothering me, okay?